Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favorn. Today I'm going to show you how I do my brows. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with using my spoolie. That's how it looks like to put my eyebrows in shape. If you don't have a spoolie, you can use a toothbrush or an old mascara brush. Okay, I'm going to go on with my DVs black eye pencil to shape my brows, and I'm going to start from the inner corner to the outer corner. With filling in my brows, I'm going to use the Silk eyeliner gel. That's how it looks like, and I'm going to use my angled brush. I'm going to go on with my Articus soft foundation as my concealer to clean my eyebrows. And I'm going to use my BB Plus foundation, the shade number 3, to the inner corner of the brows, because if you use a concealer it won't be easy to be blended in. Still at the upper part of the brows, I will still use my foundation for easy blending. And yeah, to remove the excess concealer and foundation, I'm going to go on and use my eyeshadow brush. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.